Model, 2020 Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 Trendline 2.0 TDI engine knocking Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 138,498. MOT, the 2nd of July 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSEU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows, air con. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap